February horoscope for Aries moon sign. General. Aries people will go through a good time. This month will have a positive impact on you, and you can look forward for many beneficial changes at home and work. You may even experience some unexpected professional achievements. Planets will guide you through this great transformation. You may have success in health, wealth, and many other areas of life. The planetary positions will bring you a good name in your career and give you wealth. And you will get some very good friends who will help you. You may make some new friends too. Love relationships. Love can be found now if you haven't found it yet due to the positive impact of the planets. You can also improve your relationship with friends. Your lover may be introduced to you in the social circle. You may become more attractive and compelling to the opposite gender. This month, your partner will love you for your beauty, artistic capabilities, and your romantic attitudes towards him or her. Divine technique for marital harmony. Venus Puja. Finances. The planets may bring some major positive changes on the financial and career fronts. You may get lucky, and a friend can bring you a sudden work project that can bring you some income. If you wish to invest in the stock markets or do trading, then this is a good time. And you will become rich through the right financial investments. A friend can introduce you to an elderly gentleman who may become your mentor in financial matters. Divine technique to improve your finances. Kubera Puja. Career. This month your working environment will be good, and there will be no obstacles in your career growth. You may be acknowledged by your seniors for your hard work, and this may cheer you up. Work travels can work in your favor. Refrain from getting into arguments with your boss and seniors at work, since the planets can make you egoistic this month. Your motivation and inner confidence can help you become a good leader at work and earn well. You will make new professional connections on a big level and also make a positive contribution to the society. You will get name and fame at work. Business. Businessmen need to find solutions for new challenges this month. But if they apply their intelligence, they may have success now. There can be tight competition this week, and you may be worried about a dip in sales. But if you adopt a new business strategy this month, you can get gains. You may hire some new people this month. Professionals. Aries professionals can expect new development at work this month. They may be recognized by their boss. You will start and finish your tasks with confidence and motivation. Team spirit may be high for you. Wealth is expected for you, so be happy. If someone says something against you, then take it in a positive spirit. You can be successful. Divine technique to improve your career. Sun Puja. Health. This is a favorable month for health, and any chronic illnesses, especially digestive issues, may be cured now. Try to refrain from junk food. Consuming a good diet and also doing some physical exercises daily can help you stay fit. You may adopt the habit of including a lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet and will be happy about the state of your health. Divine technique to improve your health. Sun Puja. Students pursuing graduation can get support from their teachers and gurus to learn new things and succeed in their exams. Students in school can make good progress. Those pursuing post-graduation may look for suitable employment opportunities and get a good salary. Students who desire to go abroad for higher studies may see delays. Divine technique to improve your education. Hanuman Puja. Here are the auspicious dates: 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And the inauspicious dates 1, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 10, 11, 12, 13, 23,